Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to put your camera lens on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this is my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I ordered the case, the camera lens for this. So it just came today. Okay, so this is it here. This came from Amazon. So if you're looking for this, just type camera iPhone 13 camera lens protector, just like this, screen protector. Okay, so that's what you should look for when you are ordering this things here. As you can see, it came with 3 different lenses here. So it came with a dust absorber, and yeah, to clean your lens, your camera lens, before you actually put them on. Okay, so we're going to use one of this. Well, it's only one of this, and then we're going to use the alcohol pad, and then we're going to use one of these. So I think this was $8, guys. So I'll put the price on there while I'm editing this video. So this is how it comes. So you get 9 of these, so you get 9 of these. Okay, so 3 of it, because it's 3 lenses, so you get 3 cases of this. So this is the other one, and just in case that one broke, you have 2 extra ones. So that's what I meant by 9. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is to wipe our lens, but they only give you 1 of these. So let's wipe our lenses like so. Okay, and then we're going to wipe it off. Okay, just like so. Let me take my phone off my case for a minute. That will help. So this is my iPhone 13, you guys. So that's what it is. So now we're finished wiping off this, and this is what the lens looks like. Okay, so all you have to do is just take it off like so. Okay, and then you just stick it on. Okay. That was it. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so this it. So let's see here. Let's take a camera. Hello, y'all. Y'all can see me, right? So that's it here. Okay, guys, so I hope this helped. So like I said, if this broke for some reason, you have 2 extra lenses here that you could use, for your iPhone 13. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, you guys. So all right, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. If you want to know where I got this case, it's from Five Below. Yeah. Okay, guys, so that is it. That was very, very simple. You can't even tell it's on here, you know what I mean, unless you come really, really close, or you want to be so nosy, then you can, but you can't even really tell at all. Okay, guys, all right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.